Do you like to cook? I'm a very reluctant cook. There are some things that I like to cook, like a roast dinner, and big lasagnas are one of my specialties, but other than that, it doesn't really bring me that much joy. However, cooking and food is a huge part of our Christmas and holiday celebrations. At this time of year, I love to bake, and that is what I thought that we could journal about together today. If we haven't met before, I'm Caroline, and I love to journal and I love to share writing ideas because I know how hard it is to get into the habit of writing regularly and kind of knowing what things to write about. So let's crack on with today's journaling prompt. Do you have a favourite holiday recipe that brings back memories every time you make it? Why is it so special to you? Describe the smell, the warmth of the kitchen, and the sounds as you prepare the food with love. Journaling about your cooking and baking experiences can help you to preserve those special moments. I made mince pies last night for my daughter to take into school today, and I love making mince pies. It brings me so much joy. A long time ago, I treated myself to a Pampered Chef baking tin that came with like this little plunger that helps you to kind of press the pastry into these perfect little cup shapes, and it just makes it so much more enjoyable. They smell amazing when they're cooking. I'm pretty sure my hair still smells a little bit of the pies as they were coming out of the oven because the heat, I think, makes your hair absorb the smells, but it still smells really nice. And yeah, I think the whole experience was just so lovely. I will put a little picture of the creations at the end so that you can see how cute they are. And it was really nice because my daughter helped me as well, so she is kind of getting more into baking now, and I remember as a child, like her sort of age, finding a lot of comfort in baking, and yeah, I think it's a really good skill to have. I think baking is one of those things that definitely you do bake the love into it, and I think if you gift something that you've made, it's much more special. So yeah, I'd love to know what your favourite holiday recipes are. What do you love to make? Is it a family tradition perhaps? Is it a recipe that's been passed down through the generations? Do you get the kids involved as well? Are you more sweet or savoury? These are all really interesting questions. Let me know, and I hope you have a beautiful day whatever you are up to today, and I will be back tomorrow with another journaling idea.